Have you seen the 3-ingredient chicken nugget recipe online? I had to try it. It looked too easy. You take a can of shredded chicken, or you could use rotisserie chicken, a handful of cheese, and 1 egg. Put it all together in a bowl, and you can use a fork or a mixer to blend it all together. You want to make sure that the chicken is in every bite, the cheese is in every bite. This is for me and my husband, so I just went in with my hands and I mixed it all up. I broke the chicken down a little bit more so that it would blend easier, and then all you do is you just form them into little chicken nuggets. Mine look like little cookies. Preheat your oven to 400, put them on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper, add any spices that you want. You're going to cook them in the oven, bake them in the oven for 20 minutes, flip them over, do 10 minutes on the other side, and this is what they look like. And I have always wanted to do the knife tusk. Let's see how this goes. Oh, yes, that is what we are going for. The verdict, they're really good. They're super easy to make. It's just an egg, a handful of cheese, and shredded chicken. And I could see topping it maybe with some avocado or salsa, or drizzle it with buffalo sauce.